Want to know the secret to getting your toddler to stop hitting? It's not threatening them. It's not shaming them. It's not coming in hot with a no, we do not do that. Because when you blow up, when you lose your cool, when you come in hot with a big no, two things happen. One, for a toddler, a big reaction can actually feel exciting and fun, and it gives them that attention that they so desperately crave from us, which means we can accidentally reinforce that behavior to happen more. Or two, it can make your already emotionally volatile kid more volatile in the moment. When you go the other direction and you do nothing, your kid learns that hitting is totally okay. So how do you stop the hitting? Come in calm, confident, I know that part's hard, and okay the feelings. It's okay to feel mad. The feeling that your child's feeling in the moment is okay. The behavior is not. So next you come in with a boundary, and I'm talking words and action. Together, it sounds like this. It's okay to feel mad. It is not okay to hit. I'm picking up baby to keep him safe. And then later, once they're calm, which is when the brain can take in new information and learn new skills, go back and talk about what they were feeling and what they can do next time when they feel that way or they're in that situation instead of hitting. We're not always going to get it right. The goal is progress, not perfection, but this is how we're going to raise a resilient